In this video we explain the concept of strategic forecasting and how our PoluSim application helps companies predict future demand accurately. Strategic forecasts are demand predictions with 3, 5, or 10-year horizons. They're used as inputs into strategic planning, revenue management, marketing, resource allocation, and other processes. Having precise strategic forecasts is of utmost importance to companies. The capital spending error over a 5-year period is on average 22% when using only basic forecasting methods. PoluSim is Tellusant's strategic forecasting app for global companies. It can be applied to any country, city, or subdivision for multiple categories, price segments, and even brands. It increases accuracy, while simplifying planning processes and lowering costs. It's designed to be used in all locations around the world in a decentralized manner. PoluSim combines advanced predictive algorithms with coherent global data management. It's thus a computational database. PoluSim leverages Tellusant, our macroeconomic, consumer classes, and demographic database covering 218 countries, 2,600 cities, and 2,500 subdivisions, such as provinces or states, from 2000 to 2050. Tellusant is unique in the world. It builds on more than 30 years of development effort by Tellusant experts, starting in 1992. Let's take a look at PoluSim in action. A full tour would take almost an hour. Instead, we give a high-level summary in 3 minutes. PoluSim is suitable for any product, service, or category, from banking to pharma, to cellular services, to consumer goods. Here we show carbonated soft drinks in Mexico. After you log into PoluSim with single sign-on, you're met by this screen. It gives you 3 choices. In the middle, build a strategic forecast for a category and geographic unit with a 10-year horizon and with historical developments. To the right, enter the scenario planner to change the built-in base assumptions, such as pricing, marketing spend, distribution coverage, economic scenarios, and much more. To the left, access Tellusant if you are mainly interested in contextual data, such as income distribution brackets, consumer classes, etc. You also see a vertical bar to the left with additional choices such as model validation, help desk, tutorials, data downloads, and more. We jump into the strategic outlook for CSDs in Mexico. First, we see the predicted volumes in the base case, with prices tracking inflation. Income growth is aligned with the IMF's forecasts. Below this, we see the drivers of volume growth for each year. The underlying model is a nonlinear regression model with the drivers pre-calculated as elasticities by Tellusant experts, based on the client's data combined with Tellusant. To get a better view, we next go to the driver evolution page. It shows the sources of growth for chosen time periods. Here 2011 to 2023 and 2023 to 2031. We can also look below the category level. We show how the price segments are predicted to grow. There is a similar view with competitors. Let's turn to the scenario planner. Most corporate users want to tweak the base case. PoluSim gives all reasonable toggles for this. To avoid getting bogged down in too much detail, we only show one scenario. We have preloaded a saved scenario with large price increases 2026 to 2029 and increased price elasticity. This should reduce demand. The next view shows the details with the negative impact of the price increase prominently in light brown. We mentioned saved scenarios. Here we see saved scenarios and we screen on Mexico to see what users have specified. Scenarios are always saved so that their realism can be validated. Let's also have a look at Tellusant. We start with an overview map which zooms into the states and cities of Mexico. And by extension PoluSim easily handles subnational strategic forecasts and aligns with, for example, sales regions. Next, we have a view of disposable income over time for 3 Mexican geographies, Mexico as a country, Greater Mexico City, and Nuevo Leon State, where Monterrey dominates. We move to the more interesting view of consumer class composition. How large is the middle class now and in the future? Tellusant answers this. We can also see traditional indicators like GDP and population, as well as predicted exchange rates. There is much more, but this is best shown during a live conversation. PoluSim is used in more than 100 countries with users from corporate headquarters, regional centers, and local subsidiaries. We hope your company will join them in this next wave of strategy development excellence.